Today we have a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. We'll be replacing the cabin filter. So let's get to the passenger side and get it going. So here on the passenger side, we're gonna open the glove box. And then this little string here is what kind of holds it or like slowly releases it down. We're just gonna lift it up slightly, push forward, and then you'll see it releases that. And then now I'm just gonna let that go. We'll get that later. So now what we're gonna do is, you can see these tabs here, there's one on the other side as well. We're gonna push it inward and bring it down. So let me get all this stuff out here so it doesn't drop, and then we're gonna lower this down. So after pushing those two tabs, one here and one here, the exact same one inward, just drop it down, then you can just unhook the bottom of the glove box right here. So if you look upward, you'll find where the cabin filter is located, and even tells you the direction of the airflow. So just keep that in mind when installing the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Let's see here. Looks like there's a tab here, so boom, boom. All right. Just kind of working around this wire harness here. There we go. And you see on this one, airflow downward. Let's pull this out and then go ahead and throw our new one in same direction and pop that other cover, or pop the cover back in place. So our new filter is in place with my arrow facing downward. So I'm gonna put the cover back in here. There we go. Make sure it actually clips into place. One click there and second click there. Nice and sturdy. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the glove box. Line those up there. Just kind of set it in. I'm actually gonna need both my hands, so I don't have to cut the camera, but we'll slide that in, push it upward so it locks in place right there. At the same time, be sure that you can access this here. So you might want to hold it to the side like so we can put it back into place. All right, guys, so my glove box is in place. I pretty much just kind of held this to the side and just, just like how we took it out, we pushed it forward. Going in, you just push it all the way towards the front and just let it go. And you can see on this side how it sits. So there we are. And also FYI, this will not close unless those bottom portions right there that I showed earlier are engaged. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.